Guys, ito kami. Ito guys, dito kami nagtrabaho sa Yati. Ito nilagyan namin ng ito. Yan, nilagay namin. So ito yung trabaho natin dito. Tagalagay ng mga cover sa Yati. So yan, ang daming mga Yati. Swigo, Yati. Yan, Plan City. It's like a passenger, yeah?
Yeah,
Passenger.
passenger ferry, yeah.
So, it's a passenger ferry, guys. So, aalis na yan. I think Filipino yung isang crew. Alis na. Ano lalabas na yan? Alis na. So ito yung tubahan namin dito. Napakadami. Yan. Yan yung bridge. Nilagyan namin ng cover yung likod. Ito yung Motonoy. Yan.
My whole goal was
So,
to make it.
yung trabaho namin dito guys. Ito, yung cover ng
You know, I just never wanted things
driving seat nila.
I never
Yan
wanted
yung
them
trabaho namin. Parang
to be sitting
upholstery. Tapos
back.
nilagyan namin
So we did it
ng
out of foam.
cover using plastic.
Then we did
Yung
it.
kapal na
The
plastic.
side was probably extended from here.
Yan, si klase yung mga speedboat dito, yati, may maliit, may malaki.
It was well worth it.
So, mostly sa mga lokal dito guys, wala silang katulong.
Exactly.
So,
See, I was going to sell it
nag-
when he was coming along because it was just too small and frustrating to be on. Like,
Naglayag sila,
the cockpit floor was even self-draining.
kasama yung asawa nila. So, bali yung asawa na yung katulong nila. So, dalawa lang sila o may anak. Yan.
Exactly. Not at all.
Hindi katulad yan sa Pilipinas na kukuha tayo ng kasama para may katulong. So, paglalayag sila, sila lang. So,
Yeah. Yeah, so it's 5,000.
kasi pag nag-hire ka
The
dito
original,
ng
I just created some interest.
isang katulong, ang laki ng bayad per hour pa yung babayaran. So, yan yung mahirap.
Yep.
So, yan.
Yeah, so we've got a spare water tank and a duct fill here, a light bait tank. Oh, it's a little bit bowed down because that extension I'm under the duct.
May kanya-kanya talaga silang daungan. Ito floating to. Floating.
My next one will be and then just track, make some track on it down.
Yan guys, dito naman ulit kami. Another boat naman yung ginagawa namin. So, yan naman. Medyo malaki yung trabaho dito. Malaki din tong yati na to. So, tinanggal namin yung mga upuan. Yan, kasi papalitan niya ng foam at saka yung cover. Yan yung tinatawag na upholstery. Yan. Gagawin pa namin yan sa gagawin namin yan doon sa bahay. Doon sa ano ba ito? Garage. Andun kasi yung mga gamit para gagawin yan, yung tahian, yung makina pang tahi. Yan, ito yung mga upuan, tinanggal namin yung foam. Yan. So medyo malaki itong yate na to. Nahigaan doon sa loob. Ayan, madami pa dito guys. Ito yung Auckland City. Ayan, pumakita yung tower. So may taas pa to. Oh. Atin taas. Ano. Dito yung driveanan. Hindi naman kalakihan pero enough na ito sa family, friends. Marami na rin yung maka sakay nito. Yan, medyo maliit-liit ng konti. So, ayan. Dinala ko na yung mga foam dito sa upuan sa doon na sasakyan. Nagdala kami ng compressor. So, ano? Dami pa yung gagawin namin dito. Hindi pa ito matapos ng isang araw. Yan, update lang tayo guys. Nag-update lang ako sa inyo. So ito yung trabaho ko dito sa New Zealand. Ito yung sideline. Nayalit.
Not much that's
Ayun
free
guys, natapos na yung
anymore.
nagawa namin doon
If
sa
your club, school, or non-profit
Yate, pauwi na kami
organisation
pero
has
may
a big
gagawin pa
event,
doon sa bahay.
share it with Auckland's biggest radio
Yung mga
audience
foam.
right here on Newstalk ZB's
Palitan
free
ng
community
cover.
notice board. So let's spread
So,
the word
tanggalin
together.
lahat
Head
yun.
to newstalkzb.co.nz/community
Mag-unscroll
and submit your notice now.
Caring for our community right here in Auckland. Newstalk ZB.
Medyo
Hi, Heather Kingston,
marami pang
Investment
gagawin.
Manager at Southern Cross Partners
Tapos na
Loans and
ibalik naman doon sa
Talk to us for interest rates from 6%
pero ilagay na
per
lang
annum.
diretso na lang
Our
lagi.
self-service portals offer full transparency.
Papalitan ng mga
Be involved and watch your investments grow. Funds are secured by first mortgage over property
Kahit
with
malaki
strong
pa yung
equity.
trabaho na yun.
Visit
Pero
southernCrossPartners.co.nz.
pag ginagawa mo
Kiwis helping
agad,
Kiwis for over 25 years.
isang
Southern
araw.
Cross Partners Limited is licensed to provide peer-to-peer lending
Tapos
services
naman. Kaso
under the
yung
Financial
pagtahi
Markets
nun,
Conduct Act
mahirap.
2013.
Tayo.
This just in, New Zealand company
Nakailang
Better
araw
Sleep has
kasi.
developed a mouth tape to help promote nasal breathing,
Hindi
reduce
ito
snoring, and support
sama.
restful sleep. Made with medical-grade adhesive, it stays
Depende
on
na lang sa
all night and
kanya
comes
kung
off
kailan
TV
niya
and
gagawin.
easily in the morning. Local man
Wala
Brian
namang
reports enjoying a
hindi
well-rested
naman
sleep.
madali yan.
Since I started sleeping better, my bench presses were massive.
Yes, bigger bench presses are big news indeed. Your sleep is better away. Available from his warehouse, Unicum and pharmacies on sleepsafe.co.nz. Always reliable, user directed. Better Sleep Nelson.
Hi, my name is Murray. My wife Stephanie and I got our beautiful black lab Ernie 2 years ago. He was the sweetest dog, but little did we know about his unfortunate hereditary issues. The vet bills over his short 6.5 years of age came to a staggering 15k, but were covered by our pet insurance. Phone Pet Insure 0800 367 444.
Oh, pets insured. 0800 367 444.